Tehillim 16. A poem by David. Preserve me, Elohim, for in you do I take refuge. My soul, you have said to Yahuwah, you are my Adonai. Apart from you I have no good thing. As for the holy ones who are in the earth, they are the excellent ones, in whom is all my delight. Their sorrows shall be multiplied, who give gifts to another Elohim. Their drink offerings of blood I will not offer, nor take their names on my lips. Yahuwah assigned my portion and my cup. You made my lot secure. The lines have fallen to me in pleasant places. Yes, I have a good inheritance. I will bless Yahuwah, who has given me counsel. Yes, my heart instructs me in the night seasons. I have set Yahuwah always before me. Because he is at my right hand, I shall not be moved. Therefore my heart is glad, and my tongue rejoices. My body shall also dwell in safety. For you will not leave my soul in Sheol, neither will you allow your Holy One to see corruption. You will show me the path of life. In your presence is fullness of joy. In your right hand there are pleasures forevermore.